Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making fasoulia. So first in my pot I've added some oil and I sauteed some onions. Then once soft I add in my garlic, followed by tomato paste and my fresh tomatoes. Saute for about 5 minutes. Then I add in my dry herbs. Once you've cooked out the mixture, you can then add in some water. I have some watered down stock just to add some extra flavour. Then I like to hand blend the mixture so that it thickens and all of those fresh flavours come together. Then I add in some kidney beans. You can then blend again to thicken if you like, or you can leave it just the way it is. And this is super nutritious and delicious. I've done a similar video called Full Mademes. If you'd like to see that, then I will link it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.